Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the final part of before the summary of concurrency. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. If you like me to continue doing more Java tutorials, please like, share and subscribe. And so here we go. We're going to do a stream statistics comparison, and it's going to be one class, and today is going to be a short video. So this is our one class. Similar to last week, we're going to use the duration class in the java.time package, the same with instant. Again, we're doing arrays, random. This time we're going to use streams, and you should be familiar with streams and lambdas from my previous videos. If you're not, please check those out as well. And then we're going to use long summary statistics as part of the java.util package as well. So the name of our class, always with a capital letter, Stream Statistics Comparison. We have our main Java public static void main again, creating a new object of random, and then we're going to just again create a new array called values with all long type values with this amount. So it's going from 1 to 1001 to array, and we're just going to call it values. So perform here calculations separately. So again, with our instant, it is now we're going to get our time for our system clock from our system clock, and we're going to assign it to separate start of type instant. Again, then we use our stream. So we're going to put our values here into our stream. So it returns a sequential long stream with specified array as its source. And we're going to use our count. Again, remember that we have count and sum and min and max, but with min and max, we have to use an additional method. So if we had an int, it would be get as int. If we had double, get as double, but now we're using get as long, and we're assigning it to long, min and max here. And then we have our double average. And again, we use our dot average, but then we use our get as double. And then we get our, again, our nice instant now. So this is our before value, and this is our after value, and these are all our calculations which are done separately. Then, I just spotted a spelling error, there we go. Then we display our results, and then we go on to our time sum operation with sequential stream. So we're going to use, again, create a new, we're going to call it stream 1, and we're using our long stream, this time a sequence of primitive long values. If you're unsure of primitive, anyway, a sequence of primitive long valued elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. This is the long primitive specialization of stream. So we have our values that are being passed through here and then assigned to stream 1. We have our just calculating statistics on sequential stream. So this is just our one line. So we get our time first, again using our instant class. We get our time before and afterwards, but we just use the summary statistics as our long summary statistics and pass it through to results 1. Then results 1 are passed through to this beautiful method, which we'll have a look at in a second. Then we print out our duration between sequential start, which is before and after, and convert it to milliseconds. Now the same goes for our time sum with parallel, and so with our parallel we're going to use our arrays stream and then dot parallel, which is here. With this, then we have to keep in mind that we're using just our sequential is going to be our default, and then if we want to specify that it's parallel, we use our dot parallel. That's important. So we have here our before after, and then our summary statistics in between as well, and then we've displayed on the screen. Duration class we're using again, same as last week. So if we look at our lovely method, we have our display statistics, and we pass through our stats, so our results. So when we call it the first time, we pass through our results 1, which is our long summary statistics type, matches our type here, and we've assigned our summary statistics stream 1, same with summary statistics stream 2, and we assign it to results 2, and then we display it on the screen. So we have our stats: get count, get sum, get min, get max, and get average, and we display it. So if I run said program and bring this up on the screen, you can see here calculations performed separately. That's our count, and then we have our calculating statistics on sequential stream, and you can see here min, average, but here, oh my god, 409. And then we have our parallel stream statistics again, the number, same number here and here, same here and here, and same here and here, just the duration. So we're looking at our total time as 614 and our 409 as our main thing with it. So with this then, you can see the benefits of using it. So that is all for today. We're going to go to do one more video next week, and it will be the summary of concurrency. So I'm keeping these videos short as requested. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Happy Sunday, stay safe, get outside. It's beautiful out there. We're solar powered humans. Stay safe. Thank you for watching, and okay, bye.